Let's talk about the question most men are afraid to ask. What happens to your sex life?
That's what worries me.
Let's discuss it. The truth, it can change, but it does not have to end. It's not an all or nothing game. Let's be real, most doctors talk about survival rates, but your intimacy matters. The prostate sits very close to the nerves that control erections. During surgery or radiation, these nerves can be affected. But modern nerve-sparing techniques are designed to protect them whenever possible. Erectile dysfunction after prostate cancer treatment is common, temporary for many men, longer for some. But here's what most people don't tell you. Recovery can take months, even up to 2 years. The biggest mistake? Waiting 6 months after surgery to ask for help. The window for recovery starts the moment you leave the hospital. I've dedicated a full chapter in my guide to exactly how prostate cancer affects your sexual life and what you can actually do about it. Don't lose your connection. Download the guide in the description and start the work today. There are treatments, medications, devices, therapy, lifestyle changes, and in some cases, advanced solutions that restore function. Prostate cancer may challenge your sex life, but it does not define your manhood. The key is early conversation, early treatment, and realistic expectations.